All right, marine bio students, looking for a video here, or I'm going to make a video here on the expectations for week 2. And I just want to make this kind of quick. So I'm going to kind of fly through it, pause it if you need to, and try to find some of these things. But basically, week 1 and 2 are going to be combined together in that distance learning folder. And I'm going to update some things in here so that you can see that. Most importantly is I'm going to add a checklist for this week. So that way it's as clear as possible. It's really what I wanted to do. All right. So on Monday, you're going to take the Tide and Water quiz on Schoology. That'll be available for you to take twice. So what I would suggest that you do, if you are prepared for it, if you've studied, if you've prepared and you comprehend the material, it's really not a tricky quiz. It is meant to be very straightforward. The numbers from the lecture on water on Earth and the information and the general ideas from how tides work, all those questions and things like that, fair game. That's just going to be posted here shortly. And ultimately, run through it once, see how you do. I understand that it can be taken open note, so feel free to do that. It's going to be timed to kind of limit your ability to just sit there and look and look and look and look. But I would suggest the reason I made it open to you twice is because you can run through it once, find out how you did, and then go back and review the parts that you thought you were like, yeah, I'm not so sure about that one, I'm not so sure about that one, and then take it a second time. So that'll be the way that we try to attempt this, and then get in touch with me if you feel like you need some more efforts at it or if it was fine. I believe it's a very fair quiz. It's pretty straightforward. So then get materials together for tomorrow. We're going to have disastrous Google Meets in which we will make a complete mess of things. You'll need these items, so just kind of check them off, see if you can find around your house. You're going to need these things listed out here, obviously, but the key here is that you need 2 small glasses or containers that will, the lips of them or the heads of them will match up perfectly, so you can take one container and put it upside down on the other container and form almost a seal. So ultimately, that's what you want to be able to do. I'm going to use 2 flasks because they're the same measurement around, but you could use 2 small glasses. You could use 2 small Tupperware containers. As long as the lips or the mouths of those glasses line up perfectly and will seal, then we're going to be good. You're going to want a bigger bin to put this experiment or this little demonstration into because it's going to be messy. So it'll be kind of fun. It'll be a disaster. It'll be great. It'll be awesome. Whatever. So we'll do that on Tuesday. That's at 1 p.m. Be there for that meeting. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, you're going to have flipped lectures on an activity that I just dug up. It was sent to me by a professor at University of Central Florida. And I thought it's a really good thing to do with upwelling, which is what we're going to be talking about. And it's kind of lengthy, so I'm going to make flipped videos on each day. So Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. And then you'll have like little small tasks. I'm trying to make this so you don't have more than about a half an hour of homework each day during those 3 days. So basically that's the expectation there. So more information will be coming there, and this checklist will get filled in with links about the pre-lab lecture. I'll put a link there once everything is all complete. So that is your weekly plan. Take that quiz today, get materials together for a Google Meet tomorrow at 1 p.m. Make sure that you're in attendance for that. And then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, flipped lectures on how to do an activity that is rather lengthy, but I think a really good way to do things. So that's ultimately it. Hope to see you guys tomorrow.